it's very exciting, folks. I've gone and bought a Numatic Quick, which hasn't arrived. What has arrived, though, are the pods for it. Apparently, the machine missed the van. There was an issue, and it didn't go out for delivery today, which is a bit of a shame. So, hey, we'll have a look at the pods, and then tonight, hopefully, we can have an unboxing, first look, blah blah blah, at the Numatic Quick. So, lunchtime teaser, what are the pods like? Let's have a look. Yes, hello, my vacuum cleaner and pneumatic chums. How are you today? Now, I added these to my order before reading the order for the machine more closely. It comes with 6, so I'm going to be set for life for pods. This is my issue with the machine, really. This is what I'm not too sure about, because obviously these aren't biodegradable, and I know that's a big thing amongst the environmentalist among us. And you know, when you're talking a big 10-litre non-biodegradable bag, it's not too horrific, really. It sort of justifies it a bit more. But these are very small. It's going to be a bit interesting to see how long they last. But this is the pods. The part number 914592, and they come in a Pringles tub like this. There are 10 in here, and they just seem to be stacked up really, like so. Have a look at one of the pods. It's, yeah, plastic on the top. They're very small. I hope they pack out well, and you know, you can get them full before they start to smell. Obviously with cordlesses you are more likely to pick up grubby stuff because you tip it out relatively easy. So these click into the machine, we'll find out later once it arrives, and yeah, nice seal on the top, which I presume gets pushed down and will hopefully keep it spring. And yeah, all your dirt goes in there with your little Henrys. That's quite cute, having the faces stamped on the bag. So yeah, it's probably going to be a while before we need to use any of these really, but you know, I bought them, I added them to the order, and here they are. So comment down below, what are your thoughts on the pods and you know, their world inside cordless vacuum cleaners? And I will see you later, 6 o'clock hopefully, for the unboxing when the machine itself arrives. Thank you very much for watching, and yeah, see you at tea time.